I connect one guy with the Philippine, one Nigerian guy with the Philippine, with one black American girl, woman, not even girl, woman with the America. When this guy come meet me, what did this guy tell me? He say he didn't get American visa. So, but in the Philippines now, say from.
Hello my people, how na day? Also na day fine. I greet everybody from Untouchable Baba. My people, this video I will put for na mona sit down watch, mona listen. I know say something wey be say e reach our people hands, especially the Nigeria people, not be all, some of them. They will make sure say they spoil there, and so they be. This video is about this man wey be say they do a hookup, and something wey be say this hookup wey they do, they na very straightforward hookup, not be all those nyama one, you understand? So this man wey be say they for na Nigeria man wey they for Philippine day. So he tell am say he be a person wey be say they live that side, but he want go Nigeria there from that side. From that side go come go America. Say may give am, may look for woman for am wey be say if he reach there, they will continue their story. Now, some people really for this hookup of a thing, then they meet each other, they go like something go they where we there, they'll come like stay together, even marry self is there. So he get the way where this man content they do it thing. Even when he be say this man where be say they do this connection, he can't really contact one woman where be say they still they look for somebody. He can't explain to this man where that this a Nigerian man where they for Philippines. The man can't give the contact. So wetin he come go dey tell this woman now na another different thing. Now so this one, now so the other one. Not knowing say this man where they for Philippines, this Nigerian man where they for Philippines, he not even get visa. Where be say when he go to Nigeria, he go come go to America. May I put this video for now? I'm on a listing because some people like this jackpot of 18, then they use until they like spoil many things. Even to talk truth, if they're very good, especially when it comes to all those Oyibo people, because when they catch you for lie, even though say you can't they talk truth, they know they believe you again. They not be like us, where be say you go like, okay, I understand you. They know they understand. Let me do something. And this man where be say they do hook up. This man go they tell he go they tell this woman where be say na America say he know this man they be best friends. And Oyibo that they do one thing like we where be say we they do something we'll say this person and my sister and my brother. They are all brother and sister now the same blood. Not be like us where we say my sister had the family. They know they do like that one. No understand. So may we listen to this video where I put for now. I better not forget. Follow me. Follow my page Untouchable Mama backup page Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube Unto Mama TV. Na me still get and God bless you as you do. When I watch this video, leave your opinion also. It good may you dey straightforward so somebody when they do something. May they know you for the kind of person where you be. Not be those one where be say they do like this. Okay? All right now. Bye-bye for now.
Hello, everybody. I connect one guy with the Philippine, one Nigerian guy with the Philippine, with one black American girl, woman, not even girl, woman with the America. When this guy come meet me, what did this guy tell me? He say he didn't get American visa. So, but in the Philippines now, say from Philippines, he won't come Nigeria. And from Nigeria, he they go America. I say, okay, no wahala. He say, may I connect with person with the America or person with the Canada. The first say Canada and America, they together. I say, no wahala. What do they do? He say he get very big restaurants. He say he get very big restaurant for Philippines. I say, okay, no wahala. Now, so I connect this guy together with this lady. I call this lady, I explain about this guy to them and everything. Not knowing, say this guy no even get any plan to go America. He no got any plan. First of all, when I connect the both of them together, this guy come meet me normally. You dey tell the girl the lady for the first time. You dey tell the lady say, I am Prince Ola's best friend. The lady say, oh, you are Prince Ola's best friend. So definitely you know Prince Ola personally. He said no, he never seen Prince Ola before. That one go. You don't know, say the way all these people they think different from the way Nigerian girls they think. Now you don't get visa. You never even start your processing. Nothing. You don't even know how to go to America. Say when you come meet me as a responsible man, where you say you be over 40-something years old. If I tell you, say, make you show me your US visa, make I see before I connect you with that person, it go be like, say, my own too much. Make una listen. I go play on her. The woman, the lady, voice note. Make una see. Because now some people go to say, Prince Ola, connect with somebody in America. You they make all these people with the America know, say, you are not dating them because of say you love them. You are only dating them because of Japa. This guy, they post something on top in TikTok. They post, say, he want a Philippine lady wey get big yash wey dey Philippine. He post her for his TikTok like that. Make una see wetin this guy talk and wetin this woman talk and wetin this guy post.
You remember you called me and you told me that the guy was in the Philippines. He's going to Nigeria, and after Nigeria, he said he's visiting the U.S. If I heard you right, because that data connection was kind of bad when I was talking to you. But I think I heard you say he's coming to the U.S. No problem. And so the guy texted me, and we talked. And when I first got on the phone with him, he was like, I'm Prince Ola's best friend. And I'm like, okay, so you know Ola personally. No, I never met him in person. Okay, so I said, okay. I don't know why everybody wants to be your best friend, Ola, but that's okay, right? So we talking. And I'm like, okay. He's like, I'm going to Nigeria. I'm like, okay, so are you visiting the U.S.? He said, no, I don't have the plans to come to the U.S. I said, you do know I'm in the U.S.? He said, yes, I know you're in the U.S. He said, then he tried to play like he don't even know how to come to the U.S. He's like, I wouldn't even know how to come. How do I come? I said, well, it's a visiting visa or marriage. So now he's trying to act like, come on, Ola. We both know this man know how to come to the U.S. He has no plans to come to the U.S. I said, okay, no problem. We went on. So I'm talking to him. I'm getting his vibe. So we're talking back and forth. You remember you told me he had a big restaurant over there. It doesn't matter if you have a small restaurant, no problem. So I was talking to him. I noticed that he's in a hotel. Like, okay, why are you in a hotel? A person that has a big restaurant over there, right? I mean, I'm thinking, why is he in a hotel? He said, okay, I'm leaving. I'm going to Africa, no problem. Okay. So he sent me pictures of his TikTok because, I didn't get with him on TikTok. And so I'm noticing that his TikTok, his videos is pictures of him cooking inside his house. So I can't, I said, okay, let me just look. So I go down to, his TikTok. I see him, every picture is him inside of his house, in his kitchen cooking. And he, before he was talking to me, he was like, I have a big restaurant over here and I have 3 people working under me. But baby, listen, his TikTok says a total different thing. So now I'm looking at like he has no plans to come to the U.S. He doesn't have a big business like he said. I'm seeing something that just don't sit right with me, but why not give it a chance? Because I don't want you to be done waste your time and me either, or his. That's the way I feel, right? Now, he's traveled to Nigeria. I have not heard from him since. I've been texting him. I've been calling him, nothing. At first, the message is, when you send a message, it showed the 2 checks on the side. It wasn't going through. Now, it's going through. He's just not responding. First of all,
Now, majority of us, I go, they call my DM. You dey find woman wey dey America. You dey find woman wey dey Canada. You go tell me say that your choice. That is your choice, or you want to japa. I want to use this moment to tell every one of you. If you know you are in Nigeria, you are in Dubai, and you are looking for somebody in abroad to date, please don't DM me. No DM me. If you know you are a man or a woman, you are in Nigeria, to be precise, You want to date somebody in abroad. No wahala. You will give me only 3 things. Only 3 things. 1, I will know your income. Yes, I want to know your income. Number 1 thing, if you are coming to my private section for me to connect you with somebody in abroad, I want to know your income. I want to know your house. I want to see the kind of house where you dey live. Yes. Number 3, you will give me the reason why you want make I connect you with somebody with the America or Canada or Australia. You go give me a tangible reason. If you know say this condition too much for you, I beg, just shift. I beg, just shift. Now, so I connect one mumu girl. This girl, I connect her with somebody where Oyibo, where the UK. 3 days into the relationship, this girl start to dey ask the Oyibo for money. The Oyibo they ask her say, she get international passport. She say she no get. The Oyibo say okay, make she go do international passport. She say she no get money. So now, the thing wey una don do, wey una don do for me, you don't do. If una know say, na so una what they do, I beg no DM me. My private matchmaking is only for international people. But if you are in Nigeria and you want to connect to somebody in Nigeria, feel free to DM me. Because all of una now, I don't turn relationship to business, relationship to a way to japa. Some people has been attacking me that me, I'm only doing international matchmaking. Yes. International matchmaking, those ones, they know they give me wahala. Now, make una imagine, see what this guy writes. See what this guy post for him DP. For him TikTok. See him. And if they find serious relationship, see him. See what he writes. I don't say make a tell her. Thank you.